Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This video is going to run a little longer than normal. I absolutely love this 55 Bel Air. There's so much to tell you about the car. It has a 427 Corvette motor under the hood with a tri-power overdrive trans. It's a body off the frame, California rust-free car. It is just sweet. It functions like new. I drove the car all weekend. I probably put 80 or 100 miles on it. Again, I got a lot to tell you. If you visit volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs and study the photos and get the price, not only on this one, but on a few hundred collector cars we have that are all for sale at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy the videos. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as they come out. Right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in this 55 Bel Air. Yeah, I drove it. I took it home. Normally I drive a different car home every day to see how it is, let the shop know what things might need to be looked at. I drove this car home and then I drove it at home again so I could use it for the weekend. I love it. It just did everything right. It cruises down the road so nice and straight, comfortable, one hand on the wheel, stops on a dime, just cruises. But you put your foot into it and this thing opens up like a monster. It's a fantastic car. The fit and finish is outstanding. So I should probably just find a place to start and start telling you about the car. California car, and then it did live in Georgia for a little while, but the point is it's a rust-free car. The body gaps, fit and finish, outstanding. It's flush, the gaps are right on. All new trim, all the trim is new. That's an option there, the fuel door guard. All of this stainless is either new or professionally restored, new gaskets, all new smoked glass. It is a genuine V8 Bel Air car. It's the hardtop, which means there's no post here. It's got the little flippers, all of this, the vent window pillar, the rubber, the window frames, the mirrors, the moldings, door handle guards, rocker trim, all of it has been replaced. The base of the wiper, on and on, the bezels, bumper guards. California car, it's a one-piece bumper. All the other ones are three sections bolted together. It's a one-piece bumper. It's got a bug guard over the grill, but the grill is all new, beautiful chrome. Look how it fits up here. These 55 through 7s, they never fit up front. Even fully restored cars I get, they don't fit right. All fits square. There's no chips on any of the edges. The paint color is called hot red. It is like red glass. It is polished out like glass, smooth all along the bottoms, really nice all around. Your bumper fits nice. So outstanding fit and finish. Look at the windows. They roll up and fit real nice. The jambs are all done. The hardware, the latches, the weather strip, bottom of the door is spotless. It's all redone. Got a third brake light, got blue dots, it's got reverse lights. Trunk compartment is all boxed and upholstered. Got the spare with a cover. Batteries located here. Has a CD changer. All painted slick, new hardware. The wire is new. The weather strip is new. The latches are new looking. Those are 15-inch Cragars. They even detailed in the center cap with red. Got nice tires on there. This side's just as nice. The jamb's beautiful. Has billet sill plates. We'll get to under the hood here. It's a 427. It's been completely rebuilt and bored. It's a 433. It's got tri-power carbs, aluminum Edelbrock heads. They've all been reworked and ported. The carbs have been all rebuilt and synchronized. They're working real well. Long tube headers, polished aluminum water pump, nice Be-Cool aluminum polished radiator with dual electric fans, stainless steel upper hose, chrome alternator, billet bracket. It's manual steering, manual brakes. And honestly, I opened the hood just now before the video, and I was surprised to see that. I drove this car all weekend, and it was easy. I was shocked that there wasn't a power steering pump because it steered so nice. I took my wife and my daughter out to breakfast Sunday morning. We got up early while the roads were nice and open. Actually went out in the country. Just cruising. You know, they just thought it was a cruiser. They had no idea what was under the hood. As soon as I got on an open road and tromped on it, I think I startled both of them. They didn't know there was a 427 tri-power. My point is, it's a cruiser and it's a monster when you want it to be. We'll start it in just a minute. And inside, the fit and finish is just as good. It's a tweed upholstery and it's spotless. There's no frayed edges, there's no staining. All the handles are new. The black metal dash is painted just as slick as the outside. It's wet sanded and buffed. It's like glass. All billet trim is highly polished. All the knobs, the speaker grill, all of that's beautiful. It has white face gauges, a tachometer. Even the steering wheel is all painted in new chrome. Just immaculate inside. So under the hood, obviously the engine bay is all painted real slick. The firewall's gloss black. It has a dual reservoir master, MSD ignition system, a fuel regulator with the gauge. The whole front suspension's rebuilt, detailed, all new bushings. It's got new horns, has a polished overflow bottle. Super comfortable. The seats must have been all rebuilt. They feel like new. It's got the Bel Air chrome ribs in the headliner. The interior lights all work. Seat belts front and back. I even took my grandson, my 3-year-old grandson. I put him in the back in his car seat, and I even went out for a ride with him. We went and flew a kite. Speakers in the kick panels. It's got a custom clock. Even comes with fuzzy dice. Now I'm going to cheat on this one. I'm going to read my notes to tell you what's underneath, and all this is posted online as well. Bear with me 1 second. I knew I wouldn't remember all this. So yeah, underneath this frame off, the floors are absolutely immaculate. They're painted semi-gloss black. They're just smooth, clean metal. Up front, it has QA1 adjustable gas shocks and a sway bar, disc brakes in front. Bottom of the motor is spotless. Oversized oil pan, custom dipstick, chrome flywheel cover, a high torque starter. It's a TPI 700 R4 trans. They've completely rebuilt it. 2500 stall, external transmission fluid cooler. It's a Denny's drive shaft with solid universal joints. 411 posi rear end and back with the complete Mosier package. The center bearing or center unit, new bearings, 35 spline axles, Detroit locker gears. Rear suspension's all new with 2-inch drop springs, tubular control arms. Has long tube headers that connect to a Flowmaster exhaust with a crossover pipe. And then I go on to say everything under the car's new. The emergency brake cables, hoses, lines, fuel tank, body bushings, sending unit. There's a remote battery shutoff in the back of the car. So extremely nice. It also includes a stack of documentation. This all goes with the car to verify what's been done. The guy that I got it from owned it 19 years. So I'm going to fire it up here for you. One thing it does need, the exhaust has a rattle. You hear that squeak? We will fix that. That's the only thing wrong with the car. It has 3,800 miles on it. The car is kept so immaculate, it looks like it has no miles on it. The car is just awesome. I've driven thousands of collector cars. This is one of the best ones in my opinion. Look at new latch. Look how square that hood fits. Listen to that idle. Doors fit beautifully, shut nice. Just drop the trunk and it closes. I've specifically been looking for 55 to 57 Chevys lately. I've seen a lot of them that don't compare to this. I've seen them in the same price as this that aren't anywhere near as nice. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to meet our staff. They'll help assist with any questions about the car, the process, the delivery, the financing. Also, if you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next that comes out. Thanks for watching.